Fairfax County 911, where is your emergency?
I think there's someone in my house.
What is your address?
9102 Ox Road.
What's your name?
Mary Johnson.
What is your phone number?
703-555-5555.
Tell me everything you hear or see if it's safe. Ma'am, can you hear me? If you can hear me, tap on the phone. Okay, we are sending somebody out there. Stay on the phone with me. Don't hang up. You don't have to talk, but keep the line open. If somebody is in the room with you, tap one time on the phone. Okay, just stay on the phone with me. I'm right here.
It's a man. He just walked downstairs. Please hurry. I'm scared.
Help is on the way. You're doing great, Mary. Stay on the line with me. Where are you in the house?
I'm in my bedroom.
Where is your room, Mary?
It's on the second floor.
Where are you in the room?
I'm in the closet.
Okay, Mary, tell me everything you hear or see if it's safe. Who else is supposed to be home with you?
Nobody. I live alone.
Where do you think the person went in the house?
Okay, I think he went downstairs in the living room.
What did the man look like?
I don't know. It's too dark. I couldn't tell. I was trying to peek through the crack in the door of my closet.
Okay, could you see his clothing?
Yes, he was wearing all black. Please help.
Okay, you said you think he's in your living room. If I'm facing your house, where is your living room?
It's on the first floor. The first room to the right.
Okay, do you hear anything now?
No, not right now.
What did you hear to alert you someone was there?
I heard my kitchen door open and close. I'm a very light sleeper.
Okay, if I'm looking at your house from the street, where is that door?
In the back of the house.
The police are arriving now. I will let you know when it's safe to come out of the closet. Tell me if you hear or see anything.
Oh God, I hear someone yelling. I don't know what's being said though.
Okay, just stay where you are for now.
I've never had this happen before. I'm so scared. At first I thought I was dreaming, but then I heard footsteps, and so I got into the closet with the phone.
You're doing a great job. The officers are checking through your house now, so stay where you are. They know you're in the closet.
I hear someone now.
Okay, just sit tight. The officers are checking the house. They'll come to you.
Okay, I'm with an officer now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mary. You did a great job. Goodbye.